Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to add video backgrounds in Canva. So here I'm opening a project in Canva to be an Instagram story that I'm going to post later. So here I'm going to replace the photo before. Right, now the first thing that I have to do is click on the background like this and then choose replace on the editing options below the screen over here. And then choose the video that you want to be the background in your Instagram story. I'm going to choose this video and it goes like this. And you can preview by clicking this play button over here. Alright, so click on here and it will be previewed like this. And if you like this, you can go to export the video, save it to your device by clicking this download button and save it as MP4 video like this and click on download. So that's how you add video backgrounds in Canva. It's so easy, right guys? So thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in another tutorial videos from this channel. Bye bye.